overdid it with our hair. Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. If I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
The difference is, I pay attention.
Hey my YouTubers, today we are working with Wiggins hair. Okay, now for those that don't like too much hair, so we have two 10 inches and a 12 inch. I'm actually going to do a protective quick weave. As you can see, she's going to have a center part. I already laid the foundation. You see the white stitching, and that's actually because we sewed the cap down. And I use the white stitching because when the clients are taking out their hair, they're not mistakenly cutting their braid. I'm hearing a lot of clients complain about when they get sew-ins, oh, they made a mistake and cut their braid and they have a patch in their hair. So just to make everything a little more smoother, I decide to start sewing down just my protective quick weave, not my sew-ins. Just for something like this, I will use the white thread. So as you can see right now, I'm using the 10 inch of the Wiggins curly hair that they have given me, and I'm just going to slowly apply that track by track. Yes, I am doubling the track. This width and these tracks are pretty thick, so I would not need the whole 3 packs. I will probably only need maybe 2.5. Stay tuned to see the finishing product. Okay, so my client wants something that's very low maintenance, something that she doesn't really have to comb or really do, just get up for school and go. So we're going to cut this in a blunt cut bob. Oh my god, y'all, I was going to cut this with my clippers, and for some reason they did not want to turn on. I was so disappointed, but these good old scissors will still get the job done. Okay, but if you do have some trimmers or some clippers, it will give it a more defined look. I normally cut my bobs with that. When I was actually filming and styling, they did not want to turn on, but it's okay because we still gonna get it done, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna basically trim around the entire bob. We're gonna make it neck length, not shoulder length. So it's going to kind of snug her neck. We want something short, something blunt, something cute. Okay, so this hair is loose, deep. Now, as you can see, when I combed it out, blended her hair, it still came out a little kind of like dull looking. So just to bring her hair back to life, give it that more polished look, we're still going to keep the wave pattern. I basically crimped the top portion of her hair. You don't have to do the whole head from top to bottom. If you would like to, it's up to you. But for me, I'm just going to actually pull a few pieces from the top, and I'm going to begin spraying it with some holding spray and applying my crimping irons to them. Now, if you guys are interested in where I got these crimping irons at, these are plug-ins. I got these from Sally's. They were about $49.99. If you guys are interested, I will leave that information in the description box. Once again, this hair is from Wiggins Hair. This is their loose deep wave. It's in 210s and a 12-inch. This is really cute for a curly bob. Once these crimps fall, she will be able to just run her hands through her hair and it'll still give you that soft crimpy look. Okay, so now that we're done crimping her hair, I'm going to apply some of my premium beeswax to her edges just to give it more of a shine and more of a polished, defined look. Not too crazy on the baby hairs. If you want a little in the front, you can do it. But me personally, you know, just to give it a little jazz, just to add a little personality to her hair, we're going to go ahead and swoop her on up with the premium beeswax. Now, if you guys are interested in purchasing this hair and as well as my product, click the link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Like, subscribe, and comment. So this is the finished product. Now, if you guys don't want the crimps to be like kind of hard and bold looking, just go ahead and get a rat tooth comb and just comb those out. The wave pattern is still going to be there. I actually, like I said, my trimmers broke. Oh my god, I'm so upset because I do all my bobs with my trimmers. But I mean, hey, I had to use the scissors, so I had to go back and kind of like clip, snap to make it a little bit more even. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you guys next time.